Alright guys, today we're going to be working on this 2016 Bullet camper, and what we got going on is this weather stripping that sits in this track right here is getting really brittle and losing its flexibility, and it keeps blowing out of the track. I believe this strip is supposed to kind of protect from water getting in to those screws. So I have some new weather stripping, so we're going to be exposing the screws on both ends and replacing this. I got 100 foot of this from a camper store nearby for 15 bucks. Not a bad deal. So it looks like they have this actually tucked in behind this rail here, and it's probably got some silicone in it, so it's not coming out very easy. Fold about an inch over. That's going to go behind the strip there, the rail. All right, before we put the new strip in, I'm going to blow this rail out. It's got some dirt and stuff that's collected in here. All right, I got my handy dandy helper. She's going to hold this roll while I start pulling it up to that end, get it attached, and then start working it in as I go along, so I don't have to cut it. So I make sure I have enough. I got plenty behind it, so that screw's gonna go through it. Now I want to get it in the same hole, so I need to make sure I know where that hole's at. All right, it's just slightly to the right of that silicone right there, so I think I can hit it. But it's a pretty nice day out today, about 75, so this plastic is really malleable, so it's easy to squeeze into there. All right, now I'm going to try to put that screw in. Now I can fish around until I find the hole to make sure I get the right spot. Okay, it's got to go through the back too, so it's going to have to have a little pressure to get through there. There we go. We'll silicone that up when we're done. I'm putting the bottom in first and then pushing down the top. She just asked why I didn't use the old piece to measure the new piece, because as we were going down the road, these pieces were coming out of the track, blowing around, so they probably got stretched. So it should actually be longer than I need if I use the old piece to measure, but I'm just playing it safe and just gonna use it off the roll, at least till we get close to the end. All right, I cut it a little long so that I made sure I had enough. I have 100 foot and this camper's only like a 30 to 35 foot long, so I should have plenty. So we're just finishing up the end here, and then we'll double it over and put our screw back in. All right, we gotta make sure we know where that screw hole is. So I'm gonna mark it on the outside here. We're gonna have to put some silicone up here again to seal this up. And I technically cut that a little short because my screw's right here and my strip is right there, but I think it'll still hold just fine. But you can always cut more off, but you can't add it back. All right, we're gonna do the other side and then we're gonna come back and put some silicone on these. This side wasn't doubled over, I don't think. And here is so dry rotted that it just pulled out really easy. That pulled through. It pulled through this side. There's not even wasn't a screw on the outside. Go ahead and mark that right now while I'm thinking about it.
And while you're
So this piece here is held in by the same bolt that holds this strip in.
Did you see my mom's list for you of things to get done? She's done.
Here's a transition spot that needs a little help getting in there. Oh, it's working in there, I think. I cut myself a little bit extra. Alright, I got some silicone here. Hopefully it's still good. It's been around for a while, but it hasn't been opened. And then I got some lap sealant that I've used before. Hopefully it's still good. If not, I got this unopened one. This is non-leveling, non-sag. So I think I'm going to use it up where that rail comes up against the tan sealant that's already there, and then use the silicone over the head of the screws if I can. Probably not a very good chance that this is good. I'm gonna screw in here and see if we can pull some of the dried stuff out. Maybe. Yep, we might have some still. This old silicone out of here. we go. All right, got it all sealed up, installed. Just got one more quick thing to do. When we were coming across the country a while back, the wind was crazy and it was blowing this like crazy, and we lost a screw right here. So I'm gonna try to put one in, and if not, I got this plastic piece I'm gonna put behind it. Okay, it's still got some threads in there. That wouldn't have worked if that was stripped out. I was gonna put this plastic piece back there for something to bite into, but right now it's holding, so we're just gonna leave it like that. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Hope you got something out of this. Pretty basic stuff, not too complicated, but if you haven't did it before, it might be nice to see somebody else doing it. So I'm kind of under the weather today, so apologize if I sound different or didn't do a very good job in this video. Anyway, I wanted to get something done today, so I thought I'd share it. So until next time, good luck with all your projects.